This is the quiz for math for relations and functions. Number 1, check all the answers that apply. The range of a relation is also known as independent variable, output, x-coordinate, input, dependent variable, y-coordinate. You should check 3 boxes. Number 2, the domain of a relation is also known as independent variable, output, x-coordinate, input, dependent variable, y-coordinate. Again, check all that apply. You should have checked 3 boxes. True or false? Number 3. A function is a relation where each input has more than one output. True or false? Number 4. If a relation is a function, then the set of ordered pairs consisting of an input and the corresponding output could be modeled as a what? Graph, mapping diagram, table, all of the above. Number 5, be careful with this one. Which of these is not true of relations? Relations are made of ordered pairs. Relations may only have one input for each output. Relations have domains and ranges. Relations can be represented by a table of values. Which one was not true? Number 6, all relations are functions, but not all functions are relations. True or false? I'll read that one again. All relations are functions, but not all functions are relations. Number 7, true or false? All functions are relations, but not all relations are functions. For numbers 8, 9, and 10, use this graph right here. For number 8, what are the coordinates of n? N is located right here. Is it 2, 0, 3, 1, 0, negative 2, negative 2, 0? Number 9, what are the coordinates of m? M is located right here. 2, 0, 3, 1, 0, negative 2, negative 2, 0. Number 10, which quadrant is point M located in? 1, 2, 3, or 4? For number 11, you're choosing the independent variable. Would it be number of hours spent studying or your grades in school? Independent, which has to happen first? Which decides the outcome of the other? That is your independent variable. Number 12, choose the dependent variable. The number of people ahead of you or the length of time you wait in line? Which one depends upon the other one? Number 12, these are numbered funny. Number 12, choose the independent variable. Money spent or number of shoes purchased? Which one has to come first? Number 13, tickets to a concert cost $20 each. Would that be a discrete or a continuous type of graph? Tickets to a concert cost $20 each. And for these you have to think, can I have a half a ticket? Think about what that graph would look like. Number 14, the temperature inside a car over time. Would that be discrete or continuous? Number 15, the height and age of a tree over time. Discrete or continuous? Numbers 12 through 20, you're looking to see if the representation is a function or not a function. As a reminder, a function, the definition of function is, for each input, there is exactly one output, only one output. Each input, only one output. So number 12, is this a function? Look at the arrows coming off the numbers. It's a function or not a function? Number 13, you have a set of ordered pairs. You have 16, -1, -2, 4, 11, 5, -2, 0, -12, 6. Is this function or not a function? Number 14, think of the vertical line test. Think of the vertical line test. Does it pass the vertical line test? If it does, it's a function. If it does not pass the vertical line test, it's not a function. So the answer is function or not a function. Number 15, here you have a table. You have time and you have height. The first pair is 0, 7, 2, 10, 4, 5, 6, 0, 7, 0, 8, 0. Is this a function or not a function? Number 16, here's the relation again, or a set of ordered pairs. You have 3, -4, 2, -4, 1, 5, 3, 0, -2, 8. Is this a function or not a function? Number 17, think of the vertical line test again. Is this a function or not a function? Number 18, you have a table with your inputs and your outputs. 14, 115, 16, 130, 17, 138, 15, 150, 17, 125. Is this a function or not a function? Number 19, you have inputs going to outputs. Is this a function or not a function? Number 20, it might help to diagram this or use a mapping diagram. On the left, you have eye color, and on the output, you have people. So does each input have exactly one output? If you said yes, it's a function. If no, if there's more than one output, then it's not a function. Numbers 21, you are matching the relation below with the same relation using a different model. Okay, so you have options 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here you have a mapping diagram. You need to partner it up with another representation. So you can see of -1 going to 2, 0 going to 2, 1 going to -3, 2 going to -2, and 8 going to 3. See if you can find a partner or one that looks like this or has the same numbers, just in a different representation. Option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4, and I guess there's option 5. So there's 5 choices. 22, you're going to do the same thing, match the relation below with the same relation using a different model. So here's the table. You have -2, -1, 3, 0, 4, 0, 4, 2, 4, 4, 10, 6. Do you see the same relation in this table, or in this graph, or in this mapping diagram, or this set of ordered pairs, or this other table? Take your time. 23 is another matching. What I would do is I'd assign ordered pairs for each of these. So if I look at this, I see this is 0, 0, this is 1, 1, and this is 2, 4. Over here I have -1, 1, and -2, 4. What does this match up with? You have option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4, and option 5. 24, again, you're going to match the relation with a different model. Here is your relation right here, a set of ordered pairs. See if you can find the relation that it matches to. Option 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Number 25, match this one as well. Here's your mapping diagram. You have an input of 0, -2, as well as 0, 1, a 2, 1, a 1, 2, and a 3 to 4. Which one does this match with? Option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4, or option 5? Number 26, is the following domain and range written in correct form? So again, remember, you have to remember the 3 rules. Is this in correct form? So the domain 1, 2, 6, and the range 0, 4, 6, 10. Thinking of the 3 rules, do these match? Yes, it's in correct written form, or no, it's not. And finally, number 27, what is the problem with the following domain and range? So again, think about the 3 rules. So the domain is written 7, 9, 12, 15, and the range -1, -3, -7. Is the problem numbers are repeated, there's no set notation, or not in order from least to greatest? Take your time, look over your quiz, make sure you have your work document complete, and you upload that once you're done submitting this.